All right, fire it up, put it in gear. Let's see what the... Oh, the drive shaft not moving. Okay, so when you put it in gear, the transmission will try to... The torque has to go through the transfer case to the drive shafts. Oh, so all the the breakdown in communication is coming inside. Well, you in park and you in park, right? Yeah, right now we're parking. I turned it off. All right, do it again. I want to see if I can feel. You want to put it in reverse this time? You ain't gonna be able to start it. No, I know. Oh, yeah, go ahead. Let me see what happens then. He gonna put it in reverse. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, it's some. Whoa. Yeah, you can feel a lot of current. All right, kill it. Yeah, that transfer case is toast. I don't know why. It don't look like no impact on the hill, so they ain't hit nothing. Hell, I don't know. Oh, take the drive shafts. Oh, this is an 8-speed ZF. Oh, dude, the exhaust got to come out. Oh my goodness. All right, let me let you down.
Alrighty, guys, I'm back. This is this Grand Cherokee I'm working on, making all that noise. Now, I want y'all to keep something in mind. Remember, guys, that is a transfer case. There's a module that actually monitor the transfer case operation called a drivetrain control module. So y'all know what that means is it's on the bus, right? So technically that should be some fault codes, right? In fact, let's go over to the computer and see what we can see. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, we're here at the computer now. The module I mentioned was right here, a DTCM, drivetrain control module. Let's click that, and what we're gonna do is let's go into DTCs and see exactly what fault codes is set. Okay. Yes, guys. Transfer case range position sensor performance incorrect operation. Yes, I'd say so. Now this is one that's actually active. So since we had the problem, the noise was coming about. This is the code transfer case differential clutch warn. So that's basically internal transfer case problem, guys. This code here stands for differential clutch warn. I guarantee you the repair for that is basically to replace the transfer case. All right, transfer case clutch position out of range. In fact, I want to see this one because it's active. Let's click here, then go to the diagnostics. What exactly would they suggest you do if you get that code? Here go the possible causes is transfer case clutch warn, transfer case differential damage. Yes, it is definitely damaged. So no way around it, guys. I'm gonna have to replace the transfer case. All right, so let me get this thing on order and we'll see what happens, guys. Y'all stay tuned. Well, guys, look what showed up. Transfer case. Ah, my goodness. I wonder how difficult. Can't be that bad, right? Right. Okay. In order to get this out, y'all know it bolts to the transmission. Of course, it's a transfer case to transfer torque from the transmission to the front and the rear. So the front drive shaft got to come out as well as the rear drive shaft. Now I'm wondering, will I have to take this exhaust out? Probably will. I'm just gonna do it, and it look easy, guys. So don't try to shortcut something that's this appears to be extremely easy, right? So why fight with it? Okay, yeah. You get that out the way, I guess you can remove this and get, yeah, you have no choice actually. Remove this shield to get these bolts out of this drive shaft. Unbolt the transfer case from the transmission. First, this bracket got to come off. Uh-oh, look at my boo-boo, guys. I'm gonna have to reposition the lift because I got the lift on the bracket that has to come out. All right, so it don't look that bad at all, right, guys? Y'all help me boy out. Oh my goodness. Okay. But something inside here, when I get it out, I think I might have to turn it back in. But when I get it out, guys, it's a service port. Transfer case is a serviceable item, okay? I'm not sure about the time interval. It's in your service manual. Look it up. Make sure you service these things on time. Does this have a service? I don't know. I don't know anything. Warranty company said put a transfer case in it, based off the codes and the noise, and that's what I'm gonna do. All right, I have a lot of work to do, guys. That's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe for differential. And I'll see y'all in the next video.